COVID hits, everyone's scared there's gonna be a huge wave of foreclosures. Is it materializing? So you buy a house. Unless you have all the cash, you're borrowing money, typically from a bank. So what happens when you don't pay? Well, you don't lose the house in a day. That's not how it works. It takes a long time. Longer now than ever before because of COVID. Go back 10 years ago, 2011, 2012, I was walking into houses like this left and right. A tree fell on the deck. I mean, you gotta address that. It's not even safe to walk on the deck. That might have cost you 10 grand a year ago, 2 years ago, probably is a $20,000 deck now. So where are we in the supply chain right now? Cabinets are tough to come by. My cabinet guy told me we're like 6 months out. And this guy's solid. He's like my #1 cabinet guy. This guy's worked miracles for me. 6 months to even produce them and another month to ship them. This house was built in '94. There was no air conditioning, right? No central air. It looks like there's some duct in here, but there's no condenser outside. So it's a total do-over. So do you just replace the boiler and sell a $600,000 house in a beautiful neighborhood with no AC? Or do you just say, okay, we're gonna redo it? Don't quote me that there were 65 offers. Wouldn't surprise me. You gotta come in here with cash. I think it's a great flip, but that much action on it, you're probably gonna overpay. That septic system is now 28 years old. Theoretically, they could last forever, right? If you take care of them, it's a very basic thing. You flush a toilet, goes in the tank, the solids and liquid separate, liquid goes out into a leaching field. If you don't treat it like crap, it won't crap out on you. Just on the list price to what the after repair value is, almost $300,000 of margin. Now they have all this positive equity. So there's an incentive for the homeowner to work it out with the bank. And that's what you're gonna see now, I think. I think that's the difference where you won't see a lot of these. It's a fluid situation every day out there. A lot of opportunities, no matter what side of it you're on. Thank you for hanging in there with us and look forward to the next one.